Hi, I'm Michael,
And good.
and we're going to open some
One Piece.
because mahirap humanap ng
Pokemon.
destined rivals because inuubos ng mga scalpers. We decided to buy this OP12 again for 10 packs at Data Blitz
What's the other video?
at 95 pesos. So,
95?
yan. Mas mura pa
What's
ngayon.
the other video? We got Blackbeard in
Yeah,
the other
so-
video.
I'll choose 5. I'll choose 5.
Random guess.
Ito sa akin.
4, 5. So then
Okay.
sa akin.
Wala tayong gunting.
Yeah.
May gunting ba tayo?
No, how would we open it manually?
Ay, may gunting doon, kunin mo para mas mabilis. So, we're going to open some One Piece cards and meron kaming nakuhang maganda-ganda nung isang araw.
Yeah, it cost
So,
65,000 pesos.
ito, si
65,000
Peach.
65,000 pesos off the bat right
So,
here.
yan yung nakuha namin last Sunday.
65,000 pesos off the bat right there. That's why we're opening another, trying to get a new one.
So, yan yung pinakamahal namin ngayon so far sa One Piece. Okay,
I think it's more
so
expensive
we're going
than
to
other
open it
Pokemon.
fast. Wait lang ha. Baka biglang akong magunting yung card eh.
Huh?
Alright.
Wait.
Ay, ako na. Kasi baka ano yan. Oh. So, 5 packs
Okay.
each.
Okay. Me first.
Yan, hindi ko nagupit lahat.
Abre,
Wait lang, Abre, wait lang.
Wait lang.
Hindi ko nagupit lahat. Wait lang, Abre. Wait lang.
Ito.
Wait lang.
Abre, wait lang.
Wait lang po.
Abre, wait lang. Mamnya na, Abre, mamnya.
So, we have 5 packs each.
Abre, mamnya.
Kasi wala na rin.
Sige.
Ito na lang natira actually, itong 10. When we went to Data Blitz. Wait lang po, tapusin lang namin to. Ayan. 10 lang yung natira when I went to Data Blitz yesterday. So, 5 packs each, 10 packs tayo. Sige, first pack.
Me.
Sige. Sabay tayo. Ready. Our first pack. Sige, ganyan mo. So, yan. Ready. 1, 2, 3.
Fat guy.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Fat guy again.
1, 2, 3.
Another big
Bagal mo naman.
fat girl.
Ooh.
Ooh.
1, 2, 3.
Ooh, I got Dark Prince.
Oh, rare na ano.
I got Dark Prince.
Okay.
Is that good?
Don't card yan eh.
Okay.
Okay.
What do you call this thing again? Waifu?
Hindi, okay na yan. Oh, next card. Next set. Oh. Alright. Ready. 1, 2, 3.
Girl.
1, 2, 3. Huwag mo siya dilapit kasi hindi na
Oh,
ang
oh.
ganda.
Rona
Maganda yung isa, yung special rare niyan.
Oh yeah, Rona
1, 2, 3.
Shoro.
Kung makakuha tayo niyan, panalo na.
Marine.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3.
Buggy!
Last card.
An Emperor!
Ready, 1, 2, 3.
Oh,
Wala.
okay. Kisaru.
Regular rare lang.
Ito. Here, ito.
Regular rare lang.
Oh, look.
Nga, regular rare.
And like, what?
R lang siya. Walang DSR. Sige, okay lang. Sana? Okay, third pack. Wala pa tayo nakukuha ang maganda-ganda.
Another Marine.
Ready, 1, 2,
Marine.
3.
Hey! Sanji.
1,
But
2,
it
3.
is young Sanji. Hey! Warlord!
1, 2, 3. Hindi si Sanji yan.
Huh?
Sanji ba yan?
Kicker.
1, 2, 3.
Fire kick.
Last card.
Hey!
Last card.
Leader! Kisa.
3, 2, 1. Yeah! Man, walang ano ah.
I thought it was a rare because of the gold borders.
Yeah, it's rare lang.
No, I thought
Regular
it's super
rare.
rare because
Kung saan mo nilalagay yan?
here. I thought it was super rare
Okay.
because of the gold borders.
Fourth pack. Our fourth. Wala pa tayo nakukuha ng maganda-ganda. 3, 2, 1.
Maybe last pack magic is the... Oh!
Okay, 3, 2,
This
1.
bad guy. Blue laser beam.
3, 2, 1.
Another bad guy.
3, 2, 1. Last card.
3, 2...
1. Oh, man.
Hey, 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 hey!
Ay.
It's a rare Kaido card.
Oh, rare. Okay.
Regular Kaido card. Maybe our luck
Saan to? Ito.
Maybe our
Oh,
luck
last pack magic.
Maybe our luck disappeared because we literally got 65,000 off the bat.
Nga eh, walang ano.
Oh, Batwoman.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. X. 1, 2, 3.
And we already have
Next,
this card.
1,
So
2, 3.
many.
Last.
Screaming
1,
woman.
2, 3.
Hey, 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 hey! Rona Wonasauro.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ah, wala.
Pangit.
Wala. Out of 10, wala tayong nakuhang SR.
Maybe
Well, that's life. Well, we just opened 10 OP12.
maybe our luck disappeared.
So, yun po. So, join us again next time. I'm Michael.
Andre.
Bye-bye.
Maybe
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Maybe our